Good evening, folks, and welcome to Budget Scenery Workshop. Today is just a random one. I'm not sure if you've heard of it. I'm not sure if you... It's my dog. If you get it in all countries and stuff, but in England we have a magazine subscription. It's one of those kind of things that comes out weekly and you get a free gift with it. This magazine subscription centres around Age of Sigmar, so I thought one day randomly I'd subscribe, so I did. It comes with, like, every week you get models, and I'm very excited for, not next week but the week after, the first bit of scenery starts coming, so I'm looking forward to that. But yeah, today there was some reinforcements, but I've noticed on the rest of the models all the bases are kind of textured, but these ones, disappointingly, they're just bases, blank. So what I'm going to do is get my textured rolling pin and just use my Das modelling clay. There's a shop in England called The Works, which basically just sells lots and lots of crafting bits and pieces and those kind of all sorts of different books and stuff. And yeah, you can get it in there. £4 I believe it cost. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing today. Just a random one, and hopefully I'll come up with some rather nice looking bases. Okay, let's get started. Just a very short video for today. So yeah, that's one of them by just going over once with the textured rolling pin. Then I kind of experimented by going over, no, not that one, there we go, by going over a couple of times. Like I say, it gives a kind of broken stone feel to it, and I made sure I poked out all the holes so the minis can actually stand on them. Anyway guys, I hope you like that. Just a small one today. Just let me know in the comments what you think. If you have any build suggestions, also drop a comment. I will be doing a picking and planning and shout out video once I get about, let's say, yeah, let's keep it to 10 build suggestions. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that notification bell and you'll never miss a thing. See you later.